and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make another granny square. You can use any yarn of your choice, of course, with the crochet hook, and we have our scissor. So I'm going to start with my orange. By the way, the yarn I'm using is a crochet thread size 10. This is available in the Philippines, but you can check it out as well, the brand Canon size 10. Okay, so to start with, let's make our slip knot. And chain 4. And then we're going to make a circle, so we have to make a slip knot on our first, or the last one, the first one that we made. So we have this very small circle, chain 3. This will count as our first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochets. One more. So now we have our set of 3 double crochet, and we're going to make 3 more sets in our circle. So 3 more sets of group of 3 double crochets. So we have 6. This is 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do the last set. So now we can slip stitch 1, 2, and 3. For our next round, chain 1, and we're going to skip the first double crochet, which is this one, and we're going to slip stitch at the back of the second double crochet. So what I do is I will go over on the stitch. It's like doing a back post double crochet, but a back post crochet, but you will just do a slip stitch. All right. And then chain 3. And we're going to skip 2 double crochets, and on the next we're going to do the same thing, slip stitch, chain 3, skip this 2 and slip stitch as if you're going to do a back post, chain 3 again, skip again this 2 and slip stitch. So now we have 1, 2, and 3 chain 3 space, so we need one more. 2 and 3, and then we're going to slip stitch where we start. Oops. For the next round, we're going to work on our chain 3 space. So we're going to slip stitch on our chain 3 space, yarn over, and make 5 double crochets. This is the first one. Two, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to slip stitch on the next chain 3 space. Yarn over and make again your 5 double crochets. So now we are done with our 4 petals, and we're just going to slip stitch where we start. For the next round, you can continue using the same color, or you can cut your yarn and use your next desired color. In our case, we're going to use this cream color. So I will just make my slip knot, and I will attach my new yarn on the space in between our petals. Let's cut this one. So in between our petals, we're going to attach any chain that you can see there that you can attach your yarn. You can chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we're going to slip stitch again in between these 2 petals. So I will just grab this one. It's quite hard because it's so I just grab this chain there, slip stitch, chain 5 again. So now we have 4 chain 5 space at the back. For our next round, chain 3. So this will count as our first double crochet. On the chain 5, make 2 more double crochets on the chain 5 space that we have. So now we have 3 double crochets, chain 2, and make 3 more double crochets on the same chain 5 space. So chain 1. So this will be called as a mini shell. You may call it as a mini shell if you want to. So we made a chain 1 in between, 3 double crochet again on the next space, chain 5 space, three double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, and we're going to do the same thing on both chain 5 spaces. So to end this round, we're going to slip stitch on our first chain 3, so we have 4 shells, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the next round, we need to slip stitch until we reach the chain 2 space. And chain 3. Our chain 3 always counts as our first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochet. Chain 1, and on our next chain 1 space, we made a chain 1 in between these groups of 3 double crochet. We're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, always make a chain 1, always make a chain of 1 in between, and on our next chain 2 space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. Chain 1. So again, on our chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. So just repeat what we did on this side, on the other side, until you reach the other end. Just to show you, this is this single color, the one that I made earlier, and this is the one with the 2 colors. I prefer doing these 2 colors because the flower will serve as an accent of your granny square. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Thank you so much again for watching. Hope to see you again on my next video. Stay safe everyone. God bless, and feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you again. See you on my next video.